Greetings, adventurers, and welcome back to Abnormal Voyages. Today we are in Phillipsburg, Missouri, with a very sweet treat. We're here at Redmon's Candy Factory on historic Route 66.
We're going to a place that you've never heard of before. It's Abnormal Voyages. You're gonna learn something new. We're gonna open new doors. It's Abnormal Voyages.
This location is truly a wonderland. Any kind of candy you want, you can find it here.
Inside here at the candy factory, you can get pretty much any candy you want. All you gotta do, you grab one of these bags, you walk down, you like Reese's, you grab them, you throw them in the bag. You like Kisses, throw them in the bag. Tons of different candies, all different kinds, all different flavors. Truly a wonderland if you're into candy.
They've even got a very nice selection of different sodas you can try. Some very unusual flavors in there as well. Of course, no candy factory would be complete without a wide selection of different flavored taffy. And living up to the factory title, there was actually a separate room where you could watch them make peanut brittle and fudge at certain times of day.
If you're interested in trying some very unusual cotton candy, well, we start out normal. We've got classic cotton candy, classic blue raspberry. Then it starts to go into some unusual flavors you don't necessarily see everywhere. We got frosted donuts, still probably pretty good. You know, good old grapes, stuff like that. Then we have a weird one here, PB&J cotton candy, something I've never seen before. Then they totally go off the rails. You move over here, you got classics like pickle flavored cotton candy. We have even got beer flavored cotton candy, and what is probably the most unusual one, bacon flavored cotton candy. You don't see that everywhere. Alright, so you know we couldn't show you all these crazy cotton candy flavors and not try some. So we have 3 different kinds. Like, what is this first one here?
It is the churro flavored cotton candy.
Alright. Go ahead, you want to grab some? Yeah, well, it's kind of split just a little bit like that. You think that's enough?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Cinnamon's actually pretty strong on that one.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Well,
You definitely get that little churro kick with the cinnamon, but you can still taste the regular kind of cotton candy sugar. All right. Not bad there.
No.
What do you rate that?
Probably about 4.5.
I don't know if we even want to rate these because these next ones.
It can be surprisingly good, I think.
Okay.
Find out, though.
Here's our second one here. Cotton candy pickle flavor. Have you had anything like this?
No.
No? Let's see. Oh, you can smell that pickle.
Oh yeah. Kind of smells like pickle popcorn,
A little bit.
but it's gonna be kind of weird with the sugar.
All right. Got that nice green
I'll just, you know,
color.
what?
You gonna take a? Oh,
We might as well get.
he's
more.
going for it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Yep,
That is disgusting.
that is pickle.
That is disgusting.
Um,
Yeah. That is not good.
you know, 5 out of 5 for actually tasting like a pickle. That was not false advertising.
1
That-
star.
That is that is a.
That
It's
failed.
like a sugary pickle.
That is disgusting.
It is.
Ugh.
All right, well here we can wash it down. We got you some good old bacon flavored cotton candy. You like bacon, right?
Yeah, but again.
Well, I like pickles too.
It's
and-
that manufactured taste that sometimes kind of fails me with
Oh.
that stuff.
I don't even.
It smells like dog treats. But
It does.
Maybe it'll taste better than
That's
that.
not what I'm used to bacon smelling like.
Yeah, but,
there's a meat smell.
Okay.
Let's.
I'm going to do it again.
Oh, you're just gonna take a huge. Oh.
This one even bigger.
All right, here we go. Bacon.
All right.
You get kind of that smoky aftertaste, kind of.
No. Okay.
Yeah,
I can
it definitely
taste-
is
oh, yeah.
sugary meat.
They did a really good job at making it taste just like it.
All right,
I'm going to give that a 3.
A 3?
It wasn't gross, but I wouldn't eat it.
No,
I
no. I'd be disappointed like if I went to the circus or fair and they gave me
No.
the whole cotton candy of this.
Mm-hmm.
It just tastes like sweet meat.
Mhm.
You know,
Mhm.
kind of that. All right, there you go. So that was the bacon, and I think we can safely say if you're gonna actually eat it, churros is probably the one to go with. And if you're giving it to somebody you don't like that much, throw that pickle in there.
Well, we got to
All right.
wash it down with something that maybe someone wouldn't like either.
Oh, that's right. We do. We did get some special drinks here, and I don't know if this is going to help any. What do you got?
This is a hit or miss for me anyway because I'm not a big fan of this stuff.
I wouldn't.
Again,
I wouldn't try this.
Mustard soda.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
smelling mustard.
It smells like mustard. And I think I've had one of this brand before, and it does taste...
Mustard brand?
No, the guy that makes this. And they do taste exactly how you would think they would taste in a soda form. So I guess we'll find out how this tastes.
All right, bottoms up, huh? Wow, that was a big sip for that.
I don't know what that tastes like.
It doesn't taste like mustard?
It doesn't taste good. Yeah, that's a 1 star too.
All right, well, I'm not really sure what flavor this one is, but I like the label. But this is Gross Gus's Pirate Piss. I hope that's not what it tastes like, but we're going to give it a shot. That's actually kind of fruity smelling. That's, yeah. All right, here we go. Okay. You know, oddly enough, it kind of tastes like a candied apple, or like some blueberry stuff in there. Not what I expect piss to taste like. That's a benefit. Yeah, kind of a banana-ish. Like, I would drink this. I'd say 3 or 4 out of 5. Not bad. Probably too sweet, honestly, to be like an everyday go-to drink, but much better than bacon cotton candy. That's for sure. All right, well, I think that is all. We're going to keep trucking on the road.
And that is Redmon's Candy Factory, an amazing little place right there on Route 66. Highly suggest you stop in. Well, my name is David, and this has been Abnormal Voyages. Thanks for tagging along. We'll see you in the next one.
We are in New Orleans, Louisiana, to dig into that most legendary event, Mardi Gras.